Hey, everyone! Welcome back. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Our irresistible cheesy potato casserole. Trust me, once you try this, it'll become a family favorite. So, let's dive right into it. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this amazing potato casserole. Feel free to pause the video and gather everything. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Prep the potatoes. First, we'll need to peel and thinly slice about 5 to 6 medium-sized potatoes. You can use a mandolin slicer for uniform slices. Once done, set them aside. Step 2. Prepare the cheesy sauce. Now, let's make the cheesy sauce. In a saucepan over medium heat, melt 1/4 cup of butter. Once melted, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, and whisk continuously to create a roux. Next, slowly pour in 2 cups of milk while whisking to avoid lumps. Continue stirring until the mixture thickens. Now, it's time to add the star of the show, 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. Mix until the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth. Step 3. Assemble the casserole. Now, let's assemble our potato casserole. Take a baking dish and layer half of the sliced potatoes at the bottom. Pour half of the cheesy sauce over the potatoes, ensuring an even coating. Repeat the layers with the remaining potatoes and sauce. Make sure to finish with a generous layer of cheese on top. This is what will give us that golden, bubbly crust. Step 4. Bake to perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Once ready, pop the casserole in and bake for about 40-45 minutes or until the top is beautifully golden brown and the potatoes are tender. And there you have it. Our irresistible cheesy potato casserole. Just look at that gooey, cheesy goodness. I can't wait to dig in. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. And, as always, let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Until then, happy cooking. So good. See you next time.